Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copy Revit Family from Revit folder to your external hard disk. And you can also copy from your external hard disk into your Revit folder. A lot of my students have complained that they are having issues with loading Revit Family. Normally, when I'm doing my installation, I usually on my internet to load my Revit families. But in case maybe your internet was not strong enough and the Revit family could not load very well, there are other options you can go with. You can download my own Revit family that I have sent to you guys. You can download it and load it into your Revit family. Or if you don't want to download it, you can also copy from a friend. If you have a friend that have Revit family in his own computer, you can copy from him into your own Revit family folder. As simple as that. Okay, without wasting your time, let's get started. Now, I have launched my Revit now. While you are inside Revit, you have to be inside Revit before you do what I'm talking about. Okay, you go to the application menu as if you want to open a file. You click on it, you click open, and you can go here at the top here. Now if I go to this, the Revit I'm using is Revit 2017. If I click on it now, you will see libraries. If I click on it, you can see it here. I have three libraries here: generic, US imperial, and US metric. If I want to copy the US metric, simply right click on it and click copy. Then you can close this one, minimize the Revit, go to your external hard disk. This is my external hard disk. You open it and paste. You paste. Okay. Now I don't want to paste it. Let me close this. And if you have pasted, it can be there. Anytime you install new Revit, you can always go to your external hard disk and copy from there into your Revit folder. As simple as that. Okay, let's assume I want to copy this one into my, you can see this is my external hard disk. If I want to copy from my external hard disk now, or from any part of my computer into the Revit folder, all I need to do is to copy it. Let me rename it so that I will know the one I'm dealing with. Okay, if I assume I want to copy it now, simply right click on it, copy, then go into your Revit, do as if you want to open, then click open, click this drop down, go to the Revit you are using. The one I'm using is Revit 2017. Click on it, then go to libraries and paste. As simple as that. Now I've pasted it. Whatever that is in this folder will always be there. If for instance I close this now and let's say I want to load window into this project, and I go to window and I go to load family and let's assume it's not here. What I'm looking for is not here. I can click on this drop down, go to libraries, and you see the one I've just pasted here. Can open it up and see every folder, every Revit family inside there, and load it into my project. As simple as that. Okay, so that is how you can load Revit from external hard disk to your Revit folder. Very simple, very easy. Now this is the one I've just done. I want to delete it. It doesn't mean I want to delete it. I don't need that. Okay, so that is how you can load your Revit from your external hard disk into your Revit folder. And I hope this video helps you. If it does, make sure don't forget to give me feedback. Don't forget to give me video testimonial. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.